Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about AVAX, Avalanche targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. Guys, take a look. This is a chart, Global One Crypto, since June 2020. I don't know what's happened here because the chart looks absolutely weird, right? This is a weekly time frame, weeks, crash, and this stock can dump September 2020 to 89 cents. That's why we use, and I use basically here, September 2020, the chart on the Binance USDT. Right, so we can use it, this chart, and if you watch it, the main bull and plan video for Avalanche, you remember all targets. I want to remind you here. This was the FIB, right? Let me hide you FIB. I want to show you the trend lines here. One more great example how this break of structure, right? Not all the time can be confirmed, right? On the distance, because here it was a impulse down. We formed the low, break the structure basically, right? Hit the new high, but not break this liquidity pool and collapse it down to sweep another one liquidity. That's why we can't say. It's a great example. We can't say if we start build some uptrend structure, when we break the structure, it's 100% we shift the trend for long run. We can't break the structure, everything going higher on the daily time frame especially, right? So let's mark how it looks like on a daily. So here, this is an impulse, drop, we can break the structure, and build a uptrend structure. Yes, of course, we move higher like 68%, but after that, we landed and break the structure down. Can we confirm if we break this low? Now we should trade in the downtrend? It's hard to say. It's hard to say because based on the basic logic, when we break the structure, we should move higher to the next level, only up, right? But we landed back. That's why, guys, there is no 100% rules, no 100% strategies. Why, if something happened, why it's give you the 100% confident, we never drop it back or we never pump it back. So we always just work with possibilities, right? What is good, what is bad for Avalanche? First of all, I truly believe in new all-time high for AVAX this cycle. It can be around 166 and around 200. So this is my take for this stock, and I believe Avalanche will hit the new all-time high. The last all-time high was here at 147. Here I track the Avalanche since this top in February 2021. Then we landed to zero level, 27 block, new all-time high. And after the years here, we landed and traded a long-term period inside 27 block. The last time and the touch was here around autumn 2023. After that, we go in higher again, hold the line at a zero level. So if one more time, if we will drop again this summer zone, comfortable, the best zone for accumulation, Avalanche is still the same, 887, 1251. So this is it. Can we drop a lower, right, to close the full fill, for example, of this monthly gap? Huge one. It's $3.80. Yes, it's possible. Do I believe in $3.40 or $4? No, not this time. If we will drop to 5, 4, 380, I will buy Avalanche. So easily. Now, depends of BTC dominance. Would be good to see the uptrend move to the yearly open, like a first trouble area, $35, and new high over than 65, so around $85. So everything pretty simple now. If we watch this chart, I want to hide the FIB, and now we try hold the line at monthly open. How we will close this monthly candle, it's hard to say, because yesterday you saw the example how the Trump announcement about the new 50% tariffs, European Union, right, affect the price on a BTC. We dump it for like 4K down on the BTC, and the alts also dump. Now BTC dominance need to hold the line around 65% and not going higher to 70, because if BTC dominance will go to 70%, liquidity from the alts will inflow into BTC. That's it. That's why, guys, 27 block, like a capitulation zone again for Avalanche, but I don't think so. We will drop this low again. I'm more about the uptrend move this summer, right? And I'm more about the green summer 2025. And the first trouble area, it's at 35.80 yearly open, and the next steps. Take a look now with my customer app, what's going on now with the Avalanche. Here's the accumulation. So let's say the 872 and $13, it was a comfortable price for accumulation. Can we drop in the form again the bigger divergency on the weekly time frame like this one? Yes, of course we can. It's possible. But I hope we will not see this one. And I don't see any reason why we have to drop now. So everything looks good for Avalanche now. Here is a direction accumulation, we bounce. Here's a capitulation and depression zone. Now, let's say now it's more reasons to accumulate step by step Avalanche. So if you want to take a risk, you can accumulate at 23. Next zone only when you have to accumulate it, it can be the, let's say 10. And the third order, it can be like 4. So in average, your entry will be, let's say 10. From $10, you can easily go to 100 or even higher to 200. So it's just my personal opinion about Avalanche. I truly believe in AVAX, not about the fundamental of this project. I totally don't care about it. I truly believe in the price action of this one. And I truly believe this is not like scam or pump and dump coin. No, it's just a basic normal coin. Weekly money power here. Last money inflow was at 24.12. Now money outflow is here in the end of December, beginning of December. Now nothing, guys. So I will add alert to this block again, and I wish to see the money inflow. Monthly, this is kind of scary because we didn't see the money inflow. Here, money outflow, 1-2 months, 1-2 months, money outflow. No, nothing. If we will see the summer drop, I'm more than sure we will see a lot of money inflow into Avalanche, and we'll pump so hard. So even on the daily now, nothing, no money inflow, no liquidity in. Trade on the daily here. Buy, recommendation close position, some of them, recommendation close position, take profit. So yes, it was like almost at the break even, right? Not a big deal. And that's why you can't trade only with indicators, right? And here is a sell. No new signal to buy or buy back. Weekly, same story. We never seen the buy signal on Avalanche, and I wish to see. So let's add alert to the buy, trade on, buy signal on the weekly especially. So buyback was only here at $20. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. Now it's hard to say how high we will pump from these current prices or how low we will drop. But global targets, I'm waiting the new all-time high. Let's take a look at the take profit indicator. Now it's giving me the more data here. What is good? We tested almost at the fundamental value of this token. So usually it's a good entry. Now would be good to see the retest 20 cents again. And after that, go into take yearly open and the take profit 39.45 exit line and the new high, maybe even a new all-time high. Capitulation, guys, once again, it's buy line 1383, fundamental value it's 10.25. I'm wait now at $23. I'm skip I'm skip Avalanche and I'm not buying. If we will drop to the buy line and the fundamental value on a daily, I will maybe buy the Avalanche with the leverages, for trades. 12 time frame 1462. It's a fundamental buy line on 12 time frame. Fundamental value it's 1091. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about AVAX. Will we drop this summer or not? And do you believe in new all-time high for Avalanche or not? If you like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.